Hello, my name is Juliette. I'm 25 years old and I'm studying international relations and Japanese at INALCO University.
Hello, my name is Carolina. I'm a physicist and I studied a master's degree in renewable energy and climate change.
My name is Thomas. I'm 22 years old and I study Japanese at INALCO University.
So right now we are as delegation at the University of Florence doing some policy brief regarding the last COP, which was the COP29 in Baku, Azerbaijan.
We are role-playing COP29 ambassadors, and my group is the one working on innovations.
We're studying the confluence between politics, environmental politics, and also the fields of human capital, education, youth, and children.
We have the opportunity to exchange different points of view with expertise during the workshops and also with each other. During the workshops we are having fun, we can lunch together and exchange also different insights from our different countries and different cultures.
Hi, my name is Damlola Amid Balogun. I'm a master's student of entrepreneurship, sustainability and social change from Linus University, Sweden, originally from Nigeria. My group, I am focusing on energy, peace, relief and recovery, which was a key aspect of the Conference of Parties at the 29th edition. And so essentially we're just working to see how we can give in insights and of course also look at policies and key agreements from key stakeholders on what it really means for the world at large.
Hi, my name is Ginés Garnes Morales. I work, I'm a PhD student at the University of Murcia, where we work on meteorology and climate, always focusing on the scientific basis of climate change. I apply for participating in this Bip, in this program, because I found it a very enriching experience, and I think it's good to get out of our work and see how we can move from the scientific field to how to connect with society, in this case through policy briefs.
My name is Robin Töth. I'm a master's student in political science at the University of Linnaeus University. Our group is on the economic side with investments and trade. It's a way for us to engage in changing the world. There's a lot of people in political science that says that people have to participate. If there's a lack of participation, there's a lack of interest, and then the states cannot do what the people actually want. The more people are active, the better results and the better decision making it can happen, and it can also represent the most amount of people. And this is a way to also have the university be a part of a collaboration between different know-hows, because from around Europe, like certain countries know certain things better than others. You can get different perspectives, you can get better representation in a way if you want to talk about worldwide issues.
I think that the fact that INALCO University participates as a university to this alliance is a very good thing, because it can promote interculturality in Europe and partnership between our university and also others.
I think that thanks to this BIP program, we can acquire skills that will be very useful in any job we will do later.
At the end of the day, having the knowledge from the theoretical perspective is good, and even having it in the real life sense and merging it together makes you more valuable and it gives you a unique spot. So definitely this program and event is very important in that regard.
It's important for students because just like the popular saying, the youth are the leaders of tomorrow, right? So for us as students, we are the ones that also experience it. We are like the new generation, and the whole world is for us.
The main point is that if one alone can fix the world, but if we gather together, we join forces, maybe we can make it a difference.